Dear brothers and sisters on the channel, I'll telling you about our country, our people, our culture, our daily life. So stay with me. We'll start. Assalamu alaikum. So after the collapse of the USSR, Kyrgyzstan, like other states, also became an independent and sovereign country. The factories shut down and everyone struggled to feed themselves, their families, just to survive. The land allocated to each family and people made every possible effort. Our family also farms on the land allocated by the state. Every year we grow corn on that land to feed our livestock throughout the winter. My father and I went there to harvest corn. We pick the corn cobs and load into the car and take them home. I also have to mention that our grandmother helped us. She's 86 years old. May the Almighty grant her an happy old age.